If you are not accountable to yourself, to someone else, to a coach, to a group, you are missing out on the actual performance that you can actually have. And sometimes we get scared. We get scared of actually the results that we can get when we're accountable. We get scared of people seeing through us when we don't achieve the results that we're supposed to get. But it's in those actions that we'll be able to step forward. And if you do not start to get accountable, you will not be able to get the results in life that you're looking for. Because we tend to, as people, run further along for other people. And if someone's watching us, whether it's a personal trainer, whether it's a business coach, whether it's a group of people that are aligned in your life as like a mastermind group or as an accountability group, are watching you and you're accountable to certain actions every single week, you will strive to achieve those actions more so than you will if you were doing this on your own. So figure out a way to get accountable in your life. One thing is having a plan, which I just talked about yesterday, obviously in my yesterday's video, but having a plan will help keep you accountable. So that's the first step when it comes to being accountable for yourself inside of that action. The second step is finding people you can be accountable with. So I'm a part of accountability group, and every week we set our goals, whatever our goals are and whatever we're working on, whether it's in business, career, life, personal life, relational, anything along those lines. We set a goal that week that what we're going to achieve the next week. If we do not hit our goal, we have to pay out money to certain charities. And obviously that's a heart-centered thing as well. And I encourage people to be donating to charities, but not in a way that's detrimental to the results that you're looking to have in your life and the things you want to achieve. The next aspect is find a coach. And whatever it is you're trying to achieve, find someone to help you get there, to hold you accountable to things. Because unfortunately, we drive ourselves more, or we allow, that coach to step in to help push us towards the next phase and level. Real conversations, exposing the things that we're inhibiting ourselves from, removing all the unknowns and allowing us to just sit in the space to take action. That's what a great coach will do, whether that's in your health, whether that's in your business, whether that's in relationships as a life coach. There's all different coaches out there these days. And one of the key things when clients work with me that they get results, they become accountable to actions and they need to step in. And my job is to make sure they keep stepping through the growth to get to the other side, to get to where they want to go. Because we've set goals together for them to be able to go out and hash out and achieve. Because I really feel that we will drive further, longer, and harder when we have someone backing us behind us. So whether that's a group, whether that's a coach one-on-one, you could be in a group coaching sessions as well. That happens all the time. Part of online programs that help do that too. Whatever way makes the most sense for you, step in. It's time to get accountable. We're at the end of the year right now, and it's time to really set up next year, finish off this year with a roar, and let's get things going. So, be accountable, get some stuff in order for yourself because you deserve to have the best life that you're willing to work for. Go out and get it. And I'll see you guys soon.